Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money using the Pinterest app with just your iPhone. Let's get started. Pinterest is not for instant money. It helps you earn by sharing ideas and sending people products or content. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are on your settings, switch to a business account. A business accounts help you see views and clicks on Pinterest. Pick one topic you enjoy like fashion, beauty, fitness, or online business. Sticking to one topic helps your account grow faster. Use free apps like Canva. Make a vertical image with clear text, bright colors, and simple design. These images are called pins. Here are easy and real way to earn an affiliate program. Copy your affiliate link and add the link to your pin. Earn more money when someone buys it. Try post 1 to 3 pins every day. Pinterest work like a search engine, so your pins can bring traffic for months or years. And that's it. This is the simple and beginner-friendly ways to earn money using Pinterest on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.